I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C++ programming language, and in this video lecture we go ahead and look at do-while loop. Loop is another type of loop system in C++ programming language, and just like a built-in loop, it does exactly the same thing. Okay. It helps in repetition of stuff, and it can be able to help you to loop through some things about that you ever want to print out. Maybe you want to generate something for many times. The loop system, do-while loop, will help you to do that as well. Let's go ahead and look at an example. Just as an example like what we've done before. So consider all this loop system do exactly the same. So we'll say int x, and let that be equal to 20 and put a semicolon at the end. And we go ahead and say do. And we're saying count the result of x equal to x and line, then x increment and put a semicolon at the end. Then it's called a do-while loop because when you come over here, go ahead and put y. This will give a condition. So y x is less than or equal to 50. Go ahead and put semicolon at the end, and let's run this code and check it out. Wow, this is x and not z. Y x is less than or equal to 50. Alright, so that is what we have. How do I school? So you can see that it just gave us exactly the same thing. And if you want that to go to be the reverse, you can go ahead and say yx is greater than or equal to 1. Then changes to x decrement. And then go ahead and run this code and check it out. Can you see that? Alright, so guys, for help, there is another way you can be able to do this. I can remove t's. I can say that x is equal to x minus 1 and put a semicolon at the end. And then let's run this code and check it out. So let's see what it's going to give us. Can you see that? It gives me just exactly the same. Is equivalent to plus. That is a decrement. And if you want to do that for the plus sign, maybe let's go ahead and generate x less than or equal to 50. And you're going to change that to x equal to x plus 1. And it's exactly the same thing with x increment. Because it's going to add 1 to x. That is what it does. Alright? So you see that? Just exactly the same if you add 1 to x and down to 50. Consider they all do the same thing, just simple lines of code. So this is called a do-while loop. You've looked at a while loop and a for loop, and now you've looked at a do-while loop. And consider they get exactly the same thing. Put this down on your system, practice with it, and check it out. And in case you have any other question, or any question or any challenge, please use the question and answer section. And I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.